Mines, bombs, and mortars litter the landscape around the town of Minaçylara in eastern Ukraine. The fighting has died down in this part of Donbass, but danger is still everywhere. A team of Ukrainian sappers is working to make the area safe again, and they're relying on some expert help. Victor works closely with his canine colleague, Lord. The Labrador sniffs out explosives, including improvised devices which are especially tricky to find.
A bomb can be disguised as an ordinary fire extinguisher, an ordinary beer can, or an ordinary box. You name it.
When Lord sniffs out explosives, he signals to Victor by sitting down. Then it's up to his human partners to neutralize the device. On the fourth week of their deployment in the area, the sappers are working to clear a former ammunition depot.
The explosives are more dangerous now because they've been damaged. The ones which were burned or damaged by shrapnel are the most dangerous.
Working with great care, the sappers collect the ordnance and place it in a ditch. They warn local residents to stay out of the area as they prepare a controlled explosion. But civilians are still at risk from flying shrapnel.
We're really scared to go to the outdoor toilets. You see these things? They're flying around all day. Not at night, but they fly around during the day. But we still need to go out, either to the outside basement or to the toilet.
The risks are also great for those who clean up the weapons, but some are used to putting their lives on the line. Members of the team previously served on a demining mission in Kosovo before their skills were needed back home in Ukraine. Victor wants to make sure his partner is focused on the job, so he does all he can to earn Lord's trust.
He's a great friend, a faithful friend. Dogs feel our love, our warmth, and how much we care about them. In turn, they give us their gratitude.
Since the start of the year, sappers have neutralized more than 2,000 mines, mortars, and other explosives across the conflict zone. But no one knows how many more unexploded weapons remain to be discovered across the still deadly battlegrounds of eastern Ukraine.